In this video, we have been given that AB is 7, BC is 6, CA is 5. Then we have to find area of a square PQST. So, in any triangle ABC, if AB is A, BC is B, CA is C, then area of ABC, it is root under S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, and S, it is A plus B plus C over 2, and here S, it will be 7 plus 6 plus 5 over 2, and it is 18 over 2, that will be 9. So area of ABC, it will be root under S is 9 times 9 minus A is 7 times 9 minus B is 6 times 9 minus C is 5, and it is root under 9 times 2 times 3 times 4, and root 9 will be 3 times root 4 will be 2 times root under 2 times 3, and it is 6 times root 6, and we get area of ABC is 6 times root 6, and area of ABC, it will be 1 over 2 times base is BC times, and from point A, if we make a perpendicular on PQ and BC, suppose this point is M and this point is N, then height, it will be AN, that is 6 times root 6, and it is 1 over 2 times BC is 6 times AN, it is 6 times root 6, and 6 will get cancelled, so 1 over 2 times AN, it is root 6, so AN, it will be 2 times root 6. We get AN is 2 times root 6, and now we know that PQST is a square. So PQ, it will be equal to QS, it will be equal to ST, it will be equal to PT. Suppose X, PT is X, QS is X, and ST is X, and MN, it will be equal to PT, that will be X, MN is X, and also angle APQ, it will be equal to angle ABC, suppose alpha, and angle AQP, it will be equal to angle ACB, suppose beta. These two angles, they will be equal, suppose alpha, and these two angles, they will be equal, suppose beta. And AM, it will be equal to AN minus MN, and AN is 2 times root 6 minus MN is X. So AM, it is 2 times root 6 minus X. And now triangle ABC, it will be similar to triangle APQ, because angle alpha is equal and angle beta is equal. So BC over PQ, it will be equal to AN over AM, and BC is 6 over PQ is X. It is equal to AN is 2 times root 6 over AM is 2 times root 6 minus X. And if we cross multiply, then 6 times 2 root 6 minus X, it will be 2 root 6 times X, and 2 times 3 is 6. So 3 times 2 root 6 minus X, it is root 6 times X, and it is 6 root 6 minus 3x is equal to root 6x, and 6 root 6, it will be 3x plus root 6x, and 6 root 6, it is x times 3 plus root 6. So x, it will be 6 root 6 over 3 plus root 6, and we have x is 6 root 6 over 3 plus root 6, and if we multiply it with 3 minus root 6 over 3 minus root 6, then we know that a plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. So x, it will be 6 root 6 times 3 minus root 6 over 3 square minus root 6 square, and x, it is 18 root 6 minus 36 over 9 minus 6, and x, it is 3 times 6 root 6 minus 12 over 3, and 3 will get cancelled. So x, it is 6 root 6 minus 12, and now area of PQST, it will be x square, and x, it is 6 root 6 minus 12 square, and it is 6 square times root 6 minus 2 square, and it is 36 times 6 plus 4 minus 4 root 6, and it is 36 times 10 minus 4 root 6, that will be 360 minus 144 root 6. It is 360 minus 144 root 6.